If you're wondering how to use teamwork.com for risk management, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how teamwork.com can help streamline your risk management process, keeping your team organized and ready to tackle potential risks. Whether you're new to the software or already familiar, this video will walk you through its key features that can make a difference. First off, teamwork.com offers an all-in-one project management platform that goes beyond just managing tasks. It gives you tools to identify, track, and mitigate risks that can impact your projects. This is crucial for any team that wants to proactively address issues before they escalate. And the best part? You can use this software for completely free with our exclusive bonuses. Check out the first link below for that. Let's dive into the core features that make teamwork.com a great fit for risk management. One of the first things you'll notice is its task management system. You can assign specific tasks to team members related to mitigating risks and ensuring project success. The ability to set deadlines, priorities, and dependencies helps ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities when it comes to managing potential risks. Next, you've got the risk register. This is a central feature of teamwork.com that lets you document and track risks in a structured way. You can add detailed descriptions, assign them to team members, and set deadlines for addressing them. Think of it as a centralized hub where all risks are recorded and regularly updated, making it easy to monitor progress and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Another powerful tool within teamwork.com is the ability to create customizable project workflows. With risk management in mind, this allows you to tailor each project to address specific risks at each stage. If you're working on a project with multiple moving parts, you can break down each risk into manageable tasks, assign them accordingly, and monitor each stage until completion. This makes it clear where risks are being handled and if any action needs to be taken before moving forward. Teamwork.com also includes reporting features that can be really helpful when you need to assess risk. You can generate real-time reports on project health, progress, and even potential blockers or risks. This helps you stay ahead of any issues and keep stakeholders informed on how risks are being managed. You'll always have a clear visual representation of your project status, which is essential when it comes to managing risk effectively. Don't forget about Teamwork's communication tools. Collaboration is key in risk management, and Teamwork makes it easy for your team to communicate effectively. You can leave comments directly on tasks or risks, share files, and update statuses in real time. This keeps everyone on the same page and ensures that important risk-related information is always accessible to the right people. For anyone worried about scalability, teamwork.com is a great option. Whether you're a small team or part of a larger organization, Teamwork grows with you. The flexibility of the platform means you can handle increasingly complex projects while still keeping risk management processes efficient. To wrap it up, using teamwork.com for risk management is a game changer. From task management and customizable workflows to real-time reporting and effective collaboration tools, it's a powerful software that can help you proactively address risks and keep your projects on track. And remember, you can use it completely free by checking out the first link below to access our exclusive bonus offer. Don't miss out. Take advantage of the extended free trial today. By the way, if you're new to teamwork.com, this trial is the perfect opportunity to get hands-on and see for yourself how it can improve your risk management